Hello, everybody. Welcome to BilisummaaShow with Wayesa. Do you remember eyewitness from Hambo told the BBC that 47 people were shot and killed in Hambo during the protests against Finfinne massacre? Now, do you remember Binyam Kapere? Binyam Kapere drove all the way to Hambo from Shagar, yes, from Shagar all the way to Hambo just to tell you and me that BBC lied and nobody died in Hambo. Yes, Binam Kabere claimed that nobody died in Hambo. Now, we have two individuals in Washington, D.C. from Hambo. Their names are Dr. Mitiku Tosa and Dabale Dibaba. Both of them are reported to be in the Washington, D.C. area. The rumor is that the TPLF establishment sent them all the way from Hamburg to Washington, D.C. area, probably to tell you and me that nobody died in Hamburg, life is wonderful in Hamburg, and maybe they want you to invest your money in Hamburg. Now, let me tell you this. The reality on the ground. The reality on the ground inside Oromia today, Oromo students have been monitored by the Tigray government, arrested by Tigray government, taken to jail, get abused. Those are what's going on inside Oromia in the ground as we speak right now. Okay, that's what's going on. And Dr. Mitiku from Hamburg University and Dababa Dabale is buddy over there in Washington, D.C., probably hiding from you and me, are part of the establishment, by Tigray government establishment. That's who they work for. They work for the TPLF. They work for their best interests of TPLF. TPLF is the employer. You are watching BilisummaaShow. My name is Wayesa. Thank you so much for watching BilisummaaShow. You take care. Bye-bye.